No trespassing. A sign at every entrance. They matter as legal notice and deterrence. Signs provide a clear legal warning that the property is private and entry is prohibited, helping to deter unauthorized individuals. Trespassers may not be able to claim ignorance if signs are clearly displayed. Support for law enforcement. Law enforcement may need evidence that a property owner has indicated the property is private before enforcing trespassing laws, and signage provides this evidence. Some police departments even monitor vacant properties and may increase patrols with signage assisting these efforts. Reduced liability. The presence of no trespassing signs can help protect you from liability if someone enters illegally and gets injured, demonstrating that the individual was warned not to enter. Preventing squatters and vandalism. Vacant properties are susceptible to squatters attempting to claim adverse possession and to vandalism and theft. Signs help deter unauthorized entry and potential damage or occupation. Clear communication of boundaries. Placing signs at every key entry points, including entrances, gates, driveways, and boundaries, clearly indicates that entry is not allowed. A good tip: filing a trespass authorization letter with local law enforcement is another protective measure. This document grants authorized permission to act on your behalf regarding unauthorized access, which can save time in responding to incidents. Trespassing is considered a criminal offense in California. If you're caught on someone else's property without their permission, you could face criminal charges. Dealing with the loved one's passing is hard enough. Then you discover that managing their empty home and personal belongings is now your responsibility. It feels overwhelming. You're grieving, you're tired, and there's so much to do. But don't worry, I'm here to help you. Today, I'll clearly guide you through exactly how to prepare a vacant home and personal property during probate. You'll leave with a simple action plan, confidence, and peace of mind. Before we start, please take a quick moment to like this video. I create videos every week to help seniors and families through probate, inherited property, estate management, and senior home transitions. Your support helps me reach others who need compassionate guidance. When someone passes, their property can't simply be left unattended. Vacant homes attract unwanted attention, burglars, vandals, and potential damage. Neglected homes lose value and create headaches down the road. Probate can take months or longer. Proper preparation now ensures the home stays safe, maintains value, and reduces stress during probate. Let me walk you clearly through each step. Step 1. Securing the vacant home. Securing the home immediately is your first priority. Here's how. Change locks immediately. Change all exterior locks right away. You don't know who might have keys. Previous caregivers, neighbors, or friends. Install outdoor lighting. Outdoor motion sensors, lights. Keep intruders away and make the home look occupied. Keep landscaping tidy. Regular lawn care prevents the home from looking vacant and reduces attention. Stop mail-in deliveries. An overflowing mailbox or porch deliveries indicate vacancies. Arrange for mail forwarding at the post office. Inform neighbors. Friendly neighbors can help keep watch over the property. Taking these steps quickly secures the property, easing your mind significantly. Step 2. Protecting the homes financially. A vacant home is still a financial responsibility. Make sure these details are handled. Update home insurance. Notify the insurance provider immediately. Vacant homes often require special policy. Continue paying bills. Utilities may need to remain active to maintain the property. Ensure payments are up to date to avoid unexpected issues. Manage property taxes. Stay current on property taxes to prevent penalties or liens. Keeping finances clearly organized now avoids stressful issues later. Step 3. Creating an inventory of personal property. In California probate, the inventory and appraisal form, DE 160, is used to list the assets of a deceased person's estate. This form, along with the inventory and appraisal attachment, DE 161, must be filed with the court by the personal representative. A probate referee, who is an independent appraiser appointed by the court, is often involved in valuing certain assets, especially those that are not easily valued by the personal representative. The inventory and appraisal, DE 160 and DE 161, must be filed with the court within 4 months of the personal representative's appointment. The inventory and appraisal is a crucial step in the probate process, as it provides the court with a clear picture of the estate's assets and their estimated value. This information is essential for managing the estate, paying debts and taxes, and ultimately distributing the remaining assets to the beneficiaries. Inventory and appraisal. DE 160 tells the court what property is owned by the estate and approximately how much it is worth. Now, let's talk about handling personal property clearly and compassionately. Create a complete inventory. Go room by room, list major items like furniture, jewelry, electronics, artworks, and vehicles. Photograph everything. Clear photos protect you later. They help with valuation, insurance claims, or resolving disputes among heirs. Organize important documents. Collect wills, trusts, insurance policies, tax returns, and financial statements. Keep them safe and easily accessible. A clear inventory simplifies probate significantly and minimizes family conflicts. Step 4. Deciding what to keep, donate, sell, or discard. We handle many probate services, including a coordinated range of services for families dealing with a probated estate. This includes personal property organization and storage, home security, clean-out services, exterior maintenance, repairs to staging, and marketing if you are selling, provided through our trusted network of providers. This service is particularly helpful for personal representatives or if they live out of state. You may feel emotional sorting through your loved one's belongings. Take your time, be gentle with yourself, and follow these simple tips. Keep special items with emotional value within the family. Donate useful items to charities gladly to accept clothing, furniture, appliances, and household goods. Sell valuable items. Consider consignment, estate sales, or reputable online platforms for items with financial value. Dispose of unusable items. Arrange for professional junk removal if needed. Sorting property clearly and respectfully gives your family closure and peace of mind. Step 5. Preparing the home for probate or sale. If the home is part of the estate, careful preparation ensures it retains value and appeal. Deep clean the home. Professional clean carpets, windows, kitchens, and bathrooms. Complete minor repairs. Fix minor plumbing leaks, replace broken fixtures, and touch up paint. Stage the home simply. Basic staging enhances marketability, even just for appraisal purposes. Consider professional help. Hiring professionals for cleaning, repairs, and staging can significantly reduce your burden. Proper preparation ensures a smoother probate process and better outcome. Step 6. Understand California probate clearly. Probate is a court-supervised process distributing assets. Here's a clear summary. Formal probate for estates above California's probate thresholds, currently around 184,500. Formal probate is usually required. Simplified probate. Estates below this threshold may qualify for simplified procedures. If you're uncertain, reach out for professional guidance. I specialize in California probate and clearly simplify complex situations. Step 7. How an estate or probate attorney helps. Probate attorneys are invaluable allies. Here's clearly how they may help. Provide clearly legal guidance. They simplify complex probate processes clearly and understandably. Handle probate court. They manage court paperwork and appearances smoothly. Protect estate assets. They ensure legal compliance and asset protection. Resolve family conflicts compassionately. They act as neutral professionals to prevent and resolve disputes among heirs. If you need a trusted probate attorney, please reach out. I have frequent contact with families with compassionate, experienced legal professionals. Let me share a brief, warm story about the Williams family. After Mr. Williams passed away, his children faced handling a home filled with cherished memories. At first, they felt overwhelmed and unsure. They secured the home, carefully inventoried personal items, and worked together compassionately to choose special keepsake. They donated greatly used furniture to charity and held an estate sale for valuable antiques. With guidance, they cleaned, staged, and prepared the home. They soon sold it successfully, honoring their father's legacy while reducing family stress and conflict. The careful steps they took helped them grieve peacefully without extra burdens. Why senior home transition expertise matters? Our expertise is guiding families clearly and compassionately through senior transitions, estate management, probate, and inherited property. We simplify complicated process and ease emotional burdens. We help protect your loved one's legacy and your family's peace of mind. If this video helped clarify your needs, please click like, comment below, and subscribe. Do you have particular questions about probate, estate management, or senior transitions? Let me know in the comments or reach out directly. Check the description below for helpful resources, including my free guide, Step-by-Step Probate Property Preparation Checklist. I'm here for you and your family during this difficult time. Thank you for trusting me to provide clear, compassionate guidance. Information provided is educational only and not legal advice. Always consult an attorney for your probate needs.